Hello, my name is Elijah Ramos, and today I will be going over math for grades 5th and 6th. I will be covering a wide range of topics in math for ages 5th and 6th, and after each video segment for 5th and 6th grade, the answers will be provided for the work that I have done. Thank you for watching. Alright, welcome back. Today what we're going to be going over is division, and specifically division with two-digit divisors. Now, the divisor is just a big term for the word that we have on the outside of the house. So, as you can see, our divisor here would be 23. So, let's get into our examples. So, our first question is 78,419 divided by 23. Now, since we have a two-digit divisor, the way we have to multiply is we have to skip the first number and go straight to the second number. Since there's two digits here, we have to go to the second digit here to multiply. So, can 23 go into 48? Yes, it can. And how many times? That would be 3 times. So, we multiply 23 times 3. 3 times 3 would give us 9. 3 times 2 would give us 6. We subtract. 69 minus 78 would give us 9. Then we bring the 4 down. Now we need to see how many times 23 can go into 94. Alright, so 23 can go into 94 4 times, and we multiply 4 times 23. 4 times 3 gives us 12. We put the 2 here. We carry the 1. 4 times 1 gives us 8, plus 1 is 9. We subtract. 94 minus 92 gives us 2. We bring the 1 down. 23 can go into 21 no times because 23 is a bigger number than 21. So we would just simply put a 0 here, and we bring the 9 down. So now we have 219. So 23 can go into 219 9 times. So 23 times 9, we multiply 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So we put the 7 here and the 2 right there. 2 times 9 gives us 18, plus 2 would give us 20. So we have 207 minus, or 219 minus 207. And that would give us 12. 2, 1, and then the zeros cancel out. So we would have a remainder of 12. So our final answer would be 3,409 with a remainder of 12. For our next equation, we have 11,362 divided by 56. So first, we have to go to our second digit inside of our numerator, which is the number inside the house, and it's 11. And since 56 is bigger than 11, we have to go straight to our third digit. So 56 can go into 113 2 times. So we would put a 2 right here, and we multiply 2 times 56. So 2 times 6 gives us 12. Put the 1 here. 2 times 5 gives us 10. Plus 1 is 11. We subtract. 213 minus 212 is 1. We bring the 6 down. 56 cannot go into 16, so we have to put a 0 here. And we bring the 2 down. 56 goes into 162. 2 times. And we know that 2 times 56 gives us 112. And we subtract 162 minus 112. 2 times 2 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our final answer would be 202, remainder 50. For our next equation, we have 72,894 divided by 96. So first we have to look at our second digit and see if 96 can go into 72, which it cannot since 96 is bigger. So we look at our third digit, 8, so 728. And can 96 go into that? So it can, since it is smaller than 728, and it can go into 728 7 times. 7 times 6 gives us 42, so we put a 2 here, then the 4 there, and we're using multiplication here. 7 times 9 gives us 63, plus 4 would give us 67. We subtract 728 minus 672. That would give us 8 minus 2 is 6. We borrow from the 7 to give us a 6, and that makes this a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. We have 56. We bring the 9 down. Now we have to see how many times 96 can go into 569. That would be 5 times. So we multiply 5 times 96. 5 times 6 gives us 30. We put the 0 there, the 3 there. 5 times 9 gives us 45. Plus 3 gives us 48. We subtract. So we have 569 minus 480. So 9 minus 0 is 9. We have to borrow from the 5 to make this a 16. 16 minus 8 gives us 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we bring the 4 down. 894. So how many times can 96 go into 894? So it can go in 9 times. 9 times 96. 9 times 6 is 54. Put the 4 there. 5 here. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 5, 86. We subtract, and we have 894 minus 864. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So our remainder would be 30, and our final answer would be 759 with a remainder of 30. And for our last example, we have 82,751 divided by 67. So first we have to look at our first two digits to see if 67 can go into into them. So we have 82, and since 67 is lower than 82, 67 can go into 82. So 67 can go into 82 one time. So 1 times 67 is 67, of course. We subtract 82 minus 67. We borrow from the 8 to make that a 7, and this a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. We bring the 7 down. 67 can go into 156 twice. 67 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Put the 1. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. We subtract 157 minus 134. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. We bring the 5 down. 67 can go into 237 3 times. 3 times 67 gives us 3 times 7 is 21. Put the 1 here, the 2 here. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Now we subtract. 235 minus 201 gives us 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. We bring down the 1. 67 can go into 341 5 times. 5 times 67 gives us 5 times 7 is 35. Put 3. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. And now we subtract 341 minus 335. And since 1 is lower than 5, we have to borrow from the 4 to make that a 3, and this an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So our final answer would be 1,235 with a remainder of 6. I hope this has helped you gain a better understanding of how to divide with a 2-digit divisor. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video once again, and don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and to comment down below on what you'd like me to cover in future videos. And remember to wash your hands, stay inside, and if at all possible, if you have to go out, keep a distance of 6 feet away from others. Thank you guys. See you later.